Ethan's in between the rocks. He found a new friend. Yeah, Ethan, don't go too far. Ethan, don't go on the rock. You're going to have to come back here. Come on back, Ethan. Ethan's jumping along the rocks. Ha ha. Attaboy. Attaboy. Wave high. Ethan. Oh, you're going to jump in the water. Attaboy. Sploosh.